Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to strip electric wire cable. You're going to need a side cutter, though it's optional, but most importantly you're going to be needing a cable stripper like the one I have. So this one is a very small one and you can even slip it in your pocket or attach it to your key holder. So it comes with spaces that can fit different sizes of wire. So what you do is that you just insert your wire inside those spaces and to the desired circumference of the wire, and then what you do is that you just twist that like so, and then you pull that out. You can see that part is stripped. Let me repeat that again with this. So you just insert it right through those holes and twist that, and then you pull that, and that's how you easily strip your wires. Again guys, insert it, and also sometimes instead of turning it, you can also press this because this is slightly adjustable. You can press that and as you twist like so, and then once you pull that out, your cable is stripped. Then you can go ahead and use it in your electric project. Then again, the side cutter is for cutting the wire in case you want to reduce the length. And so guys, that's how you strip your wires. Remember, I'm going to be sharing in the description down below where you can get one of these. It's really affordable and it's a DIY, non-professional way of stripping your wires, and it's easy to use as you have seen. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share.